Hi guys, today I wanna do this project, this windshield plastic. If you can see, it's all faded in California sun, so I wanna take it out and I wanna paint it because I tried many different stuff on it, and after first or second car wash it's become the same. So right now I'm gonna remove this. It's not really complicated. You'll see it right now. I just need to remove these windshield wipers first, and it's 14 millimeter. And now we're gonna remove later. This rubber will be on the way. So couple plastic clips here. And now it's time to wash it really well to remove all dirt and grime. So for this I'm gonna use my favorite cleaning solution, Super Clean Diluted 421, and some soft brush. So you'll see it right now, and my pressure washer. Okay, after it's dry, make sure you remove all dirt, oils, wax, everything, and prepare the surface for painting. And I'm gonna use the Rust-Oleum trim and bumper paint. I'll put a link in the description below. And couple coats to cover the entire surface. Okay, let's begin. Shake well so all components mix together. And before you paint, just make a test somewhere. And make sure you're doing this outside on a well ventilated area. If you have a respirator, you can use it, glasses, gloves, use all kind of protection to protect yourself. Don't try to do everything at the same time. Better if you're gonna put more coats, but it's gonna spread evenly. It's no runs, so don't worry about if on the first coat it didn't cover everything. You're gonna go the second and the third coat, and then you'll worry about the complete coverage. So I'm gonna let it dry for 10 minutes, and then I will put a second coat. After about 10 minutes, when it's dry, it's actually easy to see with this paint because it's satin black, and if it's still shiny, it means it's not dry. If it's look matte, then it's dry. So I'm gonna go ahead and put a second coat, and right now I'm gonna go different direction. First coat I was putting left to right. Right now I'm gonna go up and down, and the third coat I will go ahead and do left to right, but from another side, because this is not a flat surface, it has curves. So I want to make sure that I cover from all different possible angles. So stay tuned. And always when you use spray paint, start outside of the outside of your product. Sorry about it. And on the other side, do not stop in the middle of the product you're painting, because where you stop, it's gonna spray the most paint, and in this case you can have runs. And I'm gonna wait another 10-15 minutes, and I will go ahead and put a third coat. Okay, after about 20 minutes it's dried, so I'm gonna put the third coat. Okay, I'll put a third coat. And I think this is enough. I'll let it dry for 20-30 minutes, and I will put a clear coat. Stay tuned. Okay, after about 20 minutes of drying, I'm gonna use a clear coat, a Rust-Oleum satin clear enamel, and I decided I'm gonna use the spray paint, not Plasti Dip, for a reason. You can use Plasti Dip. In my experience, Plasti Dip has attracted a lot of dust. So because I want it to look nice and like new, I decided I'm not gonna use a Plasti Dip. I wanna stay clean longer, and after I'm gonna apply a clear coat and it will be completely dry, I can use Maguire Ultimate Liquid Wax, synthetic liquid wax, and it's gonna protect even more, and it's gonna stay clean longer, and it will look nicer than a Plasti Dip. Okay, so I'm gonna apply the clear coat. prime it first. Okay, I think I'm gonna apply second coat of the clear coat after about 15-20 minutes. The weather is really nice. It's about 75 degrees right now, so it's not too hot, not too cold, so it's drying really good, so stay tuned. So now I'm gonna apply the second coat, and then I will let it dry for a couple hours before installing. After it's completely dry, I'm gonna install it back to the car. Just make sure that you put it back, the rubber piece, and wherever it's supposed to be. And this is the finishing product. Looks much better than it was. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.